In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter emails by sender Gmail. By the end, you'll know how to quickly pull up every message from a specific person and how to set Gmail to automatically organize future emails from that sender. This is great for keeping newsletters, receipts, or project threads out of your main inbox and exactly where you want them. First, let's do the fast, no setup method using Gmail search. Open Gmail. In the search box at the top, type from, followed by the sender's email address, all without spaces. For example, you'd type from sender's email address. Press enter, and Gmail will instantly display every message that came from that person. If you don't know the exact address, you can type their name right after from instead. This quick filter works on the web and on the mobile app. On a phone, just tap the search bar, enter the same from, query, and you'll see the matching results. If the list looks too broad, refine it by adding more of the address or the full name to narrow things down. Now, if you want Gmail to handle messages from that sender automatically going forward, set up a filter in a desktop browser. Start by opening Gmail on your computer. In the search bar, type from sender's email address. And press enter to confirm you have the right set of emails. Next, click the arrow or options icon at the right edge of the search bar to open the advanced search panel. Make sure the From field shows the correct address. Then click Create Filter at the bottom of that panel. You'll now choose what happens to new emails from this sender. You can apply a label so they're grouped together, skip the inbox to keep things tidy, and find them under All Mail or the label you set. Mark them as read if you don't need notifications, or send them to the trash if you're done with them. Pick the actions that match how you want these messages handled. When you're satisfied, click Create Filter to save it. If you also want past emails from this sender to follow the same rule, check the option to apply the filter to matching conversations before you finalize. A quick note: the Gmail mobile app supports searching by sender with the From query, but it doesn't let you create filters. For that, use the web version on a computer. That's it. With a quick search or an automated filter, you can keep your inbox focused and have messages from key senders organized exactly where they belong.